USTP is proud that PCO is choose us to be the venue of this caravan, because through this our program will be known, no? That we have this technology communication management and this PCO program. I think this is a very important that the government and the people must have a strong communication, and through PCO they can communicate from the government and the community.
We are multimedia students, so it is important po na maka-experience ng ganito. Na doon po sa technical, meron po kaming ginawa doon, and nakatulong po sa amin yon for our future po.
Parang interesting yung mga nandito, yung presidential broadcast, yung video interview, yung singing. Very informative, very fun. Mahalaga yung video literacy. Hindi kami ma-sway ng fake news at malaman namin ano ang inner workings ng programa nito.
Napakasaya ng ambience, mayroong mga patrivia, mga binibigay na merchandise. Mahalaga to dahil for improvement ng mga students, specifically sa social media, hindi sila makuha ng mga fake news or mga maling impormasyon.
Yung natutunan ko yung about media literacy and how it's important to check sources and how it's important to always fact check before believing something, because not only can it jeopardize yourself but also the people around you if you spread news that are untrue and fake. I think it's important that the government teaches the younger generation about this, because like what Jose Rizal said, the kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan, and we are the future of this generation, so it's important that we spread factual news instead of spreading fake news, so that our generation isn't reliant on fake news and untrue information.
Nakakatulong po yung Gen Z talaga po sa pagbago po ng Pilipinas, because mga Gen Z po is tutok po talaga sa social media. So dapat we are educated po talaga. Bawal po talaga yung mga misinformation. So kailangan po mag-fact check po talaga.
Bagong Pilipinas, I think this is a good program. We need to renew not only our government but individual, and we need to be critical, no? To be critical and look what will be, no? What will be the best, and if all of us will renew and help the government instead of criticizing, instead of accepting misinformation, you have to look at what will be, what we can help instead of